Hello my friends, Dr. Lipnitsky with Rebalance. Today I wanted to tell you about a very interesting case we recently had here at Rebalance. Well, usually when I deal with erectile dysfunction, I deal with a lot of men in their 30s, 40s, 50s, occasionally 60s. This gentleman was in his early 70s. Unfortunately, he lost his spouse and really was not worrying about sexual activity for quite a while. On the top of that, he was not the healthiest individual. He had diabetes for the past 10 years. He also had hypertension and a very significant sign of vascular disease. Well, all of them, as you understand, are a perfect poison for a good, healthy erection. Well, at this point, he decided to start living his life a little bit and perhaps even dating. And with that in mind, he really wanted to have a peace of mind that when and if it gets to the point of entering the bedroom, he wants to feel like a man. He wants to feel like a person who can still perform and satisfy a partner. So even though the Rebalance erectile optimization treatment at its basic form was perhaps too light for him, too weak, but we had a lot of things up our sleeves and we're able to create a very interesting program for him. Well, not only that, we're able to regenerate a lot of the blood vessels in his penis so he can actually have a much healthier erection that he had for many years. We're able to reduce his blood sugar level. We're able to significantly influence his blood pressure and give him an amazing effect to his body, a very youthful effect, where he was able to sleep better, think better, to have significantly more energy, and start enjoying life. Well, we combined the shockwave therapy that we usually perform to optimize the blood circulation in the penis, together with the chelation IV treatment and some modification of his diet and physical activity. Well, that treatment altogether took just a little over 3 months. But for somebody in his physical shape, his age, and medical condition, he was able to completely change the way he feels. He was able to actually have not only normal erections, he was able to get a morning erection. Well, with this treatment, he was able to go back into dating and go back into the bedroom with an amazing confidence. And by the way, no pills.